What's the matter?
Dovey, are you in the car seat?
He's trying.
Are you in the baby's car seat?
Where's Dovey? Where's Dovey, Pika? Boo.
Ha 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 ha. Hi.
Boo.
Dovey, where's the baby? Is there a baby? Where's the baby? You see the baby? Is that your sister?
He's too busy checking out her sleep. Hi, what you got there, Dovey? Is he good? Is it in working condition? Oh, he's Whoa.
You close the door, Dovey?
Good boy. Hooray!
Yay.
It's easier to close than to open?
Ha ha ha.
What do you say, little girl? Is your brother doing a bunch of shenanigans? Is your brother busy? He's checking out your car seat. Yeah, you like it? What is it? Give me 5. Ray. Make it nice? Boom, boom.
Dovey.
Ah, give me 5. Ooh, I see you too. Yeah. What? That's your baby. Oh, it's our baby. Or your baby sister. Yeah. Aww. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let's take her up.
Dovey, want to go upstairs too?
No.
Dovey, are you a good boy?
No.
Dovey, want to come? It's time for me. Let's go upstairs. Come. Who's going to get up the stairs first? I'm going upstairs. Are you coming? Come, Dovey.
Look who's walking so nicely. What a big boy. Dovey, you taking the garbage with you? You're gonna bring the garbage upstairs?
This.
Yeah? You like that?
No.
Hmm.
No.
Hmm. Okay, bye-bye.